There are some special keys also present on the keyboard. Let's see one by one. First one is spacebar key. Spacebar key is the longest key of the keyboard. When we want to give some space between words or numbers, we use spacebar key. For example, if we type some words with space, it appears like this. My space name space is. Today we are going to learn about two special keys used to erase the things from the keyboard on the screen, that are backspace key and delete key. They both are used to erase anything from the screen. Here, first of all, delete key. Here you can see on the keyboard that delete key is present over here above the arrow keys and on the numeric keypad also. It's present and written DEL as short form of delete key. Delete key is used to erase the characters on the right side of the cursor. Let's have a look with an example. Here I have written a sentence, I am a good girl. Now, if I want to delete good, so I have to bring the cursor before good, because delete key erases towards the right side. I have to use delete key and it erases like this, right side. So I have to bring my cursor before the word which I want to delete. Now if I press del key, that is delete key, it will erase good like this. So this is delete key. And now backspace key. Backspace key, as you can see here, it is present above the enter key. The left arrow you can see, this is the backspace key. Backspace key always deletes towards the left side of the cursor. Again with example we can see, like in the second line, I am a bad boy. I have to delete this word bad. So I have to bring my cursor after bad, because backspace key every time erases towards the left hand side. Now if I press this backspace key, it will erase the word towards the left side. In this way, both the keys delete and backspace are used to erase anything on the screen. Only the difference between both are that delete key always erases towards the right hand side of the cursor and backspace key always erases towards the left hand side of the cursor. Next. Now comes arrow keys. These are the arrow keys. 4 arrow keys are present: up, down, left and right. As the position of the cursor, the key suggests that in which position the cursor will move. For example, if I want to move left, you can see on the screen that my cursor is moving towards left by this left arrow key. By this right arrow key, my cursor will move to the right. Now by this upward arrow key, upward, my cursor will move upward direction, and by down arrow key, my cursor will move downwards. So these are the 4 arrow keys present on the keyboard. Enter key is used to come to next line on the monitor. It brings the cursor to the next line on the monitor. There are two enter keys present on the keyboard. One near the alphabet keys and the other on the numeric keypad. If we want to change the line, change the position of the cursor, take the cursor to the next line, we press enter key. As you can see, I pressed enter key and now my cursor comes to the next line.